So now let's see how we can work around with pencil tool inside a Vectr. So over here on the left hand side, you can see the pencil tool right here. And if I were to go around and click right here, then you can simply go around and click and drag to draw around whatever you like. And that is what the pencil tool is like. You can go around and click and drag it out and draw whatever you like right here, just like this. If I were to go around and choose something else over here, let's say for example like layers, then you can go around and select out these elements separately over here. And you can go around and change the color of it right here. So you can go around and add in fill color if the shape is enclosed. But I'm just going to go around, change around the border size, and then change these around right here. You can also add in shadows right here, just like this, and change on the blur level of the shadows as well to get the effect you want. You can go around and change the color right here, just like this, as you want. If I were to go around over here onto pencil tool, I can go around and make an enclosed shape over here, just like this as well. And let me just go to layers right here. So now what you can also do is you can go around and add in a fill color to this right here. So the shape that you make with the pencil tool is much more rough right here. That is because it's freehand drawing, and that is how you can utilize the pencil tool inside a Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.